Damn, she made you eat it.
It's a video. My lifestyle people, what's going on? I'm back with another video. I got these LED strips. I'm gonna let you know I got some things coming up. Yeah, I got 3. Actually, I got 4. But I already unboxed 1. But we're going to put these up. Guess where we're putting them up at? We're gonna line these babies up. I can't go down too far because I can't let you know what I'm doing. I got some surprises coming up from a bike. But anyway, that's another time. That's another discussion for another time. But I'm gonna put these in the ceiling. What I'm gonna do is run them on the beams. I'm gonna run 1 strip on this beam, 1 strip on this beam, 1 on this beam, and my other one's gonna be on that beam. I'm gonna have these facing that way. The one that's on this one is gonna be facing that way. The one I'm gonna have on this beam, they're gonna be facing to the right. And the one on this beam is gonna be facing out towards the outside of the shop. So, yeah, I know I probably got you a little motion sickness with the moving of the camera, but, yeah, I'm finna get ready to get started, you guys, and I got a ladder that I'm gonna get up there and do these with, and we're gonna get started on this, and hopefully I can get done today, and if we do, then that'll be great. I'll probably be done by nighttime, of course, but I'm gonna do these the right way and get them hooked up and show y'all how it's done. I say how it's done like I've done it before, and I really haven't. But anyway, we're gonna get it done and go ahead and knock this out. So we'll be back. I'm gonna be on the ladder after y'all see me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come over here and clean the surface real good. With the rag and Duramax. Like such. Oh, that was almost bad. Oh, throw that down, because I'll be done with that. Peel that strip off. And now I'm applying my secret substance. It's a secret. I am applying that to help it bond and stick up on this metal surface. Simply because I've been dealing with LEDs for a while in my life, from my truck and other jobs that I've done dealing with LEDs, and to be honest with just the little sticky strip on the back, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't trust it. Okay? Didn't break, so that's a good thing. See, finish it out. I got enough. I should. But anyway, enough of me talking. Let's get down to it and show you what 3 looks like. And 3, 2, 1. All right, lifestyle gang, we back, and almost done. I got this side done, the 2 that I wanted to put up. Now all I gotta do is run the beam on this. I will go down a little bit to show y'all what it looks like on the floor, but I got some plans with this bike right here that I can't have y'all seeing just yet. Big plans. Anyway, this thing has different mods. As you can see, it's going with the beat. Boom, boom, change. Oh, my beat is off. Anyway, it's got different mods that I can change to. See how it's sort of flashing right now? I can change it to where it's smooth, like that. Or to where it flash, boom. So if I cut it up a little bit, that wasn't supposed to happen. It went dark, here it goes, when the beat drops. I like that one. And this one, which is, it'll flash twice. Changes colors pretty quickly. I like it. Or, you can change it to a set color. Boom. Be red. Or green. Let's see what else we're gonna do next. And blue. Okay, that didn't work. Blue. There it is. All right, we got blue. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. White. Boom, boom. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Orange. Orange. There it is. All right. Let's see. We got another one. Yellow right now. Yep. There it is. Yellow. Another one. Crayon. Did I say that right? I don't really care. It is what it is. Purple. Then we can do it to where it fades, just without the beat. It don't have to be on beat or nothing. You can slow it down. Fades 3. Boom. That's fade 7. Speed it up a little bit so it won't take up too much of y'all time. Boom. Fade 7. I'm sorry, that was jump, not fade. I am wrong. I'm reading the remote wrong. It's hard to read in this dark. Boom, there's the fade. Now it's fading. I hope that's non-copyrighted too. Let me cut it down. Yeah, that's non-copyrighted, it sounds like it. And then this is fade 7. So I pretty much went through all the modes that it has. Excuse the mess on the floor. I like it. I like it a lot. But this is gonna be my party time, party central. You see how it lights up over there? I'm letting the garage shop door down. And like I said, I got a little mess. This camera off. I like it. Okay, now let's get back to the music. Okay, I see what it is. And you can also, like, on the solid colors, you can dim them down real low. Green, blue, Right. Or you can cut them back up. Anyway, I'm not gonna hold y'all too much, but this is just something that I done with my shop. We'll come back whenever we get this part done, this last piece, which will probably be tomorrow. I'm gonna go in, spend time with my family and everything. And yes, I do have a mess. Do not say anything about my mess. It is what it is. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. Anyway, I will holler at you guys later. So you guys enjoy the video. I hope you got some educational stuff out of it. We shall return with this part being done. All right, lifestyle.